Okay, what I got here is actually it's part two of my Wega Vox 53 radio project, and I've pretty much done all that's within my capability here of fixing this up. It was I had some issues. I couldn't pick up any stations, and it was pretty dirty, but I was able to clean up the case here. Got it nice and shiny again. I really wanted to keep it with the original look. It had some cracks in it. You can see one there that I repaired. And then there's another one kind of on the front here. See it kind of going down there. Then it runs along the back. And I fixed it and kind of tried to clean it up as much as I could, but I really didn't want to paint over it. I wanted to kind of keep it the original Bakelite dark brown color. This is a 1952-1953 German-made radio. Like I said, it's a Fox 53. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and let it start warming up. What I wanted to do, I've got this little antenna that I plugged in there. What I wanted to do was show you that it's working and tune a couple of stations in. It has AM, FM, and shortwave, and I don't know, it's got quite a few. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bands on there. I know there's AM and FM and shortwave. I don't know what other ones are on there. Maybe someone else knows that could tell me in the comments. But this, I took it apart and I wanted to keep the original grill, so I just kind of cleaned it as best I could. I didn't want to mess with it too much because it's not ripped, but it is kind of dirty. It's probably been through quite a bit from 1952, had some very historic news broadcast through here, a lot of changes in music maybe played on here. So kind of want to keep it original. And I had to replace a couple of tubes in there that weren't working, and kind of cleaned it out. It was pretty dusty and dirty in there. I didn't replace any of the capacitors. Trying to keep it original. It does take a moment for it to warm up, but it does starting to come on. And it took quite a bit of polishing, but it's so nice and shiny. It had like an orange stripe along here. I kind of cleaned up a little bit. There it goes. You can see the dial.
Notes. In the 1980s, a group of parents started publicly.
So it pulls in quite a few stations. I think this is FM. So anyway, you can see that it's working. And it has the original dials on here, or the knobs, I should say. So let's spin this around. I'm gonna unplug it. The cord has a couple of little cuts in it, but I think it's still safe to use. I haven't gotten shocked yet. So spinning this around, there you can see Fox 53, and I plugged the antenna in on those two screws there. You can see the writing on here. I think that this means ground antenna. I don't know what that means. But anyway, Wega Fox 53. There's I'm not sure. It has some sort of selector here for voltage, I think. Has a warning up here. So it's got quite a lot of German writing on the back of it here. Anyway, so it's nice to have this thing working. At least I think I'll pass it on to somebody else to take it to the next level. Maybe they can get the cracks fully gone and whatever else. At least it's working now.